Do you want to improve your French pronunciation? Here are some tips to help you succeed. Listen actively to French audio. It could be music, podcasts, or movies. This will help you get used to the sounds and rhythm of the language. Read aloud. Repeat French words or sentences out loud. Practice makes perfect. This will help you get used to forming the sounds and connecting the words. Use a dictionary. When in doubt, always check its pronunciation in a dictionary or online, word reference or Google Translate. Record yourself. Recording your own voice while practicing is very helpful. You can compare your pronunciation with that of a native speaker and see what you need to improve. Get feedback. Ask a native French speaker, a teacher, or a language exchange partner to give you feedback on your pronunciation. And remember, don't be afraid to make mistakes. It's the only way to learn. So practice, have fun, and don't give up.